Kajabi does a lot of things really well, and landing pages are no exception. They are stunning, they are beautiful, and most importantly, they're effective. The landing pages, the sales pages, the opt-ins that you can build on Kajabi very simply and very easily can and will and do drive your business forward. So I made a playlist showing you step by step everything you need to know to build landing pages and sales pages on Kajabi, and to see if it's up to your standards for something that you want if you decide to move to Kajabi. In these first two videos, we're looking at lead magnets, particularly building your first lead magnet and then building a landing page so that people can opt into your lead magnet. Then we jump to building a sales page for your online course on Kajabi. This is going to be one of the most important things because when you're launching your course, you're pointing everybody to your sales page. That is the one landing page that is going to make the difference between somebody just kind of going, huh, that's interesting, they have a course, to them whipping out their credit card and buying your course. So the landing page that you build, the sales page that you build for your course is very, very important. So in this video, I'm showing you exactly how to do that. And you can decide if Kajabi is right for you if you're still trying to decide, or if you're on Kajabi, you can watch that to get a good idea of how to make an effective sales page. And then two options for sales videos on your online course landing page. So at the top of your sales page for your online course, you're probably going to have a video, either a long form video or a short form, and I'm going to show you exactly the difference and why you should go with either one there. And then building a checkout page on Kajabi. So if somebody's on your landing page and they decide that they want to buy your product, the next thing they're going to pull up is your checkout page, and I'm going to go through step by step everything that you need to do there. Then we're going to look at growing your email list, because if you have a lead magnet and a beautiful landing page, you want to get people to your lead magnet and to that landing page so they can eventually become buying customers. And to do that, you have to grow your email list. So we have a video on that in this playlist. And then finally, Kajabi sales pages. I'm going to talk about how I made my $25,000 Kajabi landing page and everything that went into that. And then we'll end with just looking at Kajabi websites as a whole, because landing pages are really just individual pages that are part of the bigger puzzle of your website. So we're going to look at how landing pages relate to the pages on your website and all of that. So in this playlist, you're going to get it all. You're going to get everything you need to know. And I can't wait for you to dive in and learn more about landing pages on Kajabi. And if you're going to try out Kajabi, be sure to use my link below, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. With that, you get a 30-day free trial. This is a longer trial than you can even get directly from Kajabi, and you can get it with my link. So that's 30 days to jump on there, see if you like it, and decide if it's right for you. You're also going to get a 45-minute Zoom call with me where we can talk about your business, talk about Kajabi, and how to get the best possible start on that platform. I'm also going to give you my $25,000 course launch email template. These are the exact emails and email strategy that I used to launch my first course, which made over $25,000 in the first 3 launches. I'm going to give you all that, the 30-day free trial, the 45-minute call with me, and the email templates for free as a way to say thank you for using my link, because that is an affiliate link. So when you use it, I do get a small commission and no additional cost to you. So I appreciate it very much when you use my link. All right, at this point, if you're not already in this playlist, you can click right here to jump into it, and I'll be in there to take you further in this playlist. And I can't wait to see you in there. So click right there and we'll jump more into Kajabi.